Hey everybody, Peter Gantner here with Our Tokenomics. I am here to review another token that I'm extremely excited about. Before we jump into that, I do want to let you know that this is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and I never plan on becoming one. It is not a desire of mine. I didn't grow up as a child going, man, I can't wait to grow up to be a financial advisor. But what I am is a crypto enthusiast. I love the concept and the idea behind blockchain, working on some stuff ourselves to get into. Just absolutely incredible opportunity for so many people, and it's definitely going to make a huge impact on the world. So the token we are going to cover today is Audios. What is Audios? I want to share my screen here. Audios is a streaming music platform on the blockchain. One of the unique features of Audios is that it is community owned. Okay. That means that the people who benefit the most from the platform are the token holders themselves. Another major difference is the revenue, where it goes to. In a typical streaming platform, very little of that money ends up going to the artist. With Audios, it's between 80 and 90%. I believe it's 90% of the revenue is going to the artist and about 10% to maintain the platform. And of course, the fans get the benefit of hearing the music that they want to in a decentralized application instead of a centralized application, which means there's not somebody controlling who listens to what music, who gets on what list. This is completely driven and run by the community. Exciting stuff. So let's look into some details here. Remember, make sure you do your own homework. You have to. I'm going to give you some outlines, but you're going to have to dig in and see if this project is something that you want to get involved with as a customer, as a token holder, however you want to do it. Make sure that you do your own homework. Okay. So the current price right now is $1.67 per token. That gives it a total market cap of $200 million because currently circulating supply is estimated to be about 120 million tokens. Now, the max supply is 1 billion tokens, meaning if they are all issued out at this current price, it would have a fully diluted market cap of $1.664 billion. So where is the best places for you to go to kind of figure out what is going on and about this project? So of course, you can jump out here and hit the Twitter page. So we're going to pull up the Twitter page. The best place to find that, guys, is you click right here and you will see the Twitter link. I already have it opened up top here. So I'm just going to jump up here and do it. So one of the key things you want to look at when you're going through and getting on the site is, of course, how many Twitter followers do they have? They've got a pretty big audience, 33,000 plus people on this project. That is amazing. You can go down, and I always recommend, first of all, you look at the pinned post. It's talking about accessing the NFTs and beyond. So all different types of stuff that they're doing there. What you want to go to next is, when was the last time they posted? Right here, 1 hour ago. So a lot of information coming out on this project. They are very active. I look at a lot of projects, guys, that are pumping and they're up 100, 200, 300%. And you go to the Twitter page and they haven't posted in 6 months to a year, which means people are not doing their homework. They're simply getting caught up in the fact that a token is going up. They're called pump and dumps. And it's just a sad thing to watch people get involved with that. So, of course, you should come over here and follow it so you can get updated information on it and go from there. So then now what we want to do is let's head back over here. Let's check out the website itself. We're going to jump over here and we're going to hit boom. Here's their website. Beautiful thing, guys, is this is an up and running project. You can click right here. You can download the app to use it on so there are people already using this. This is not a project where they're saying, hey, in 6 months or 3 months or 5 months, we're going to have a working project, which is a lot of them in the token space. And that doesn't mean a bad thing, guys. There's some that need development work and they're in it. But this is an up and running project. So they already have a version for the desktop and they already have a mobile version of this available. here's a killer part about it. This is one of the things that really excites me about the project. They currently already have 3 million active users, people that are using the service on a day-to-day basis, and looks like they're blowing this up. I saw an earlier one back in October where they had about 500,000 subscribers. So in the last 5 months, they've gone from 500,000 to 3 million subscribers. They are adding subscribers on a daily basis. Now, one of the coolest things is that a lot of these people do not even realize that they're using something with the blockchain, anything at all that has to do with a token or any of that stuff. So this is a project that will bring a lot of people into this space that know nothing about it. I would assume that probably half or more, maybe even 2/3 of the people that are using this, just like with the Brave app, they're using it and they don't even realize that it has anything to do with blockchain, anything to do with cryptocurrency. So a lot of great stuff, guys. Let's do a quick recap. They have over 3 million active users. They already have an app. They already have a desktop. They have thousands of music people already on here. I believe it's over 200,000 different songs that are already on the app. They are making great progress. They have 33,000 followers on Twitter. So that's another great area to go. You can also, of course, jump out to Discord and it will get you some additional information. So guys, I want to show you a couple more things around here where you can go. If you are using any type of a DeFi platform to purchase your tokens, if you don't know what that is, you can go on to YouTube. There's a lot of great videos out there about what DeFi platforms are for purchasing it. So those are like Uni, SushiSwap, those type of things. Anytime you purchase on those sites, what you want to do is come here or either to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko and make sure you copy this address right here. This is the official address of the token. If you copy this address and then paste that in when you go to the site on what token you want, you'll never, ever get lost. Another couple other things that we'll show you real quick, guys, is if you want to see the history of the data, so you want to see how this thing has climbed, we can click right here on historical data. We can scroll down and we can see how this has been growing. Great growth, guys. Here in market cap, as you can see, it has slowly climbed from just in the millions up into the tens of millions. Of course, that continues to go. One more other quick thing that I'd like to show you is if you want to find out where you can purchase this token on CoinMarketCap, you simply come down here and click on markets, and you're going to scroll down and you're going to see that this is available on Binance, Uniswap, 1inch, in a lot of different areas. So you can check that out and it'll give you the platforms where you can purchase this token. I want to say thank you for joining us. Another great project for you to check out. Do your own research. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for being a part of the Our Tokenomics community. Have a great evening.